चीफ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, संविधान के चीफ आर्किटेक्ट। संविधान जो बनाया है, इट इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, इन द एंटायर ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री। उस समय पे इतनी कैपेबिलिटी होना, ठीक है, इट इज बीइंग सेड दैट ही वाज हैविंग मोर देन 30 डिग्रीज। बी आर अंबेडकर, वेल एजुकेटेड, कोई भल को हथियार बना लेता है, कोई शांति को, बट व्हेन वी लुक एट द बी आर अंबेडकर, he made education as his powerful weapon. Despite coming from an oppressed class, despite coming from a Dalit family, you are going to see he became one of the first ministers of independent India, law minister. He went to United States of America on scholarship. He went to London. जब ये लंदन में पढ़ते थे, it is being said that पूरा दिन भर ही पढ़ा करते थे. He was just having one bread. And then when they told him you cannot have bread over here, आप यहाँ पे bread नहीं खा सकते, he said I cannot afford the bread of the canteen. That was the scenario. But on the other hand, when we look at the Gandhi ji came from a privileged background. दीवान के बेटे थे. Gandhi ji had gone to London for his studies, and then after that, when he came back, Dadabhai Abdullah sent him to the South Africa, where he saw the true nature of the colonists, where he saw the true intentions of the Britishers. For the first time, he had faced the racial discrimination as well. जब भेदभाव किया गया, ठीक है, if you remember that St. Peter-Maritzburg train incident, when he was thrown out of the train, that was seen in 1893. होटल बुक करने गए, कहा कि ब्राउन लोगों के लिए, ब्लैक लोगों के लिए there is no such reservation. Over the period of time, गांधी जी तो चुप बैठने वालों में से नहीं थे. He launched the movement from the South Africa only. Then by 1915, we are seeing ये एक international celebrity बन गए थे. And Britishers ने इनको दे दिया फिर कैसे रहे, because they knew that we need his support in the World War first. And now he is the international celebrity.